Hello good people, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sani again from beautiful Hobbyganj. Hope you guys have started an amazing weekend. This video is IELTS Speaking Part 1 strategies to help you get over Band 7 and achieve a high band score the next time you sit your exam. IELTS Speaking has three parts, Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. Part 1 is based on your life and some sorts of a general topic. So what you need to do? Number 1. Make sure to answer in full sentences. Give your answer, use parts of questions from the examiner. Include a reason and explanation for your answer, and whenever possible, include a real example from your own life. If you can't think about one from your own life, just make one up. Number 2. Make sure to reflect the grammar of the interviewer's question. The interviewer's question is designed to test you on different kinds of grammar. So, for example, how often do you play a game? This question is asking to see if you know the adverbs of frequency, like always, sometimes, usually, often, rarely, and never. So, in your answer, you need to show these kinds of grammar. Make sure to pay attention to the tense of the grammar. If it is in past tense, your answer has to be using past tense also. If it's present tense, be sure to use present tense. And if the question is asking about the future, you need to include the future participle. And one more thing, pay attention to advanced grammar in speaking part 1. Especially the last couple of questions. If you hear present or past perfect, make sure to include past or present perfect in your answer. Furthermore, pay attention to conditional questions and make sure to answer any full conditional sentences when you hear such a question. Like, if this happens, then what do you do? When this happens to me, this is what I do. Strategy number 3. Paraphrase the questions that you are being asked. Paraphrasing means to say the same idea using different words. Again, listen carefully for the examiner questions and think of synonyms and expressions to use in your answer. Of course, you need to practice this at home so you can quickly do this in the IELTS exam. Last but not least, strategy number 4. Learn to buy time when you find a question difficult to understand or you have difficulty understanding it. There are several ways to do this, and one most natural features like allow you to think quickly in the IELTS exam. And obviously, it is okay, but not too much time because it will reduce your band score. And learn to buy time, like that's an interesting question, please give me a moment, or that's an unusual question, let me to think. So this is the end of today's lesson. If you have any question, then knock me on Messenger. And thank you everyone, and have an awesome rest of your weekend.